Hey guys, welcome to Ladies First Fashion YouTube channel. Today I'm going to be doing cloud makeup right here. Here's some examples. I've seen this a lot online, so I'm gonna see if I can do it or not. I did my priming and my eyebrows off camera, so I haven't done my foundation yet. I wanted to show you guys how I do the eye makeup. Wish me luck on that. All right, and let's get right into the video. Okay, so I'm going in with concealer. So I'm going to be looking over here at this mirror. With concealer, it helps with the pigment. It helps the color come out more. Really wanted to try this makeup look. Oh, okay, concealer. That's what I'm talking about. Okay. Okay, after you do that, we're gonna go in with the colors. This is like my outer corner eyelid, so I'm gonna use it for here. It's a little dusty. Oh, palette. I'm trying to think, do I want to do a pink sky or a yellow sky? I mean, I should do a pink and yellow, right? Because of my shirt. I just say, oh, I don't know if I hit the mic. Not bad, guys. To make it easier on myself, I'm gonna try to do like pink on this side and then do yellow on this side. I'm not an expert on makeup at all, but I'm going to give it a try. So I also have my Hot Tropics here. This is so fun. I'm supposed to be somewhere else right now. I gotta hurry up. I don't know what time it is. These are the core colors I'm gonna be working with. I'm gonna try to see if I do something with it. I think I'm gonna do this one. For the clouds, we'll do this one right here. All right, let's get started. Just a pro tip, which I learned on YouTube as well. I usually, sometimes if it doesn't pick up on my skin, I use my NYX spray and I would spray it on here. But it looks like it picked up pretty good. Pretty pigmented. I'm gonna use this for the out corner. It's gonna take a while to build up. Okay, so as you can see, I pretty got a decent amount. I'm just gonna do one side to show you guys. So now I'm gonna see if I can do a cut crease. As you can see, I wiped it off. So we're gonna take two. We're gonna try again. I'm gonna try to see if I can do this off camera, and then I'm gonna show you guys how I did it on this side. Hey guys, I'm back. I did it off camera because I didn't want to waste nobody's time. This is what I got. I'm gonna wipe it off again. This is gonna be our final try. I'm gonna do something so simple, so easy, so that I can, because I don't know, my eyebrows are good though. Somebody say something about my eyebrows. Okay guys, I'm gonna be back in a few. Here I am. As you can see, I got something. It took a while. I'm gonna do the other side on camera because I want to show you guys how I did it. But as you can see, I try to do it as simple as possible. I don't know if you guys can see, it's like somewhat cloudy. I did this side. I also did my foundation off camera, so I'm gonna show you some of this stuff and then we can go start working on this side. I use this for my Born This Way foundation. It's in the shade Maple. I also use my Makeup Forever. I usually add the Makeup Forever for like, it helps me with like touches or whatever, but yeah, it's very helpful. We're covering up blemishes and everything. That's all I did for like foundation wise and face wise, as well as I think I showed you guys earlier my concealer. NARS, yes. Best period. Oh, I also, if you guys are wondering where did the glitter come from, I use this. It's from ColourPop. It's called Glitterly Obsessed. And then on this side, I'm gonna use this thing. Sorry. I love this glitter. So now we're gonna go in with our white. I might go back in with the yellow again, but now we're gonna go in with our white and we'll proceed from there. For the like mini clouds that you see right now, I'm gonna go in with a darker shade and I'm gonna basically highlight the clouds to accentuate the clouds even more so they can pop. So I'm going in with a darker orange. I'm sorry, I'm not showing it to you guys. I'm going in with our darker orange to highlight the cloud. I really like the pink side better. I mean, it's okay on the yellow side, but we did it. Don't think I forgot about the eyelashes and lipstick. I'm gonna be using Ladiesfirstfashion eyelashes. This is Goddess of Infinities. I usually like natural eyelashes, but I saw this and I was like, I want to look like a baddie. So I'm gonna be putting on my eyelashes. I have the eyelashes on, so I don't know what you guys think. I know it's like, I think the glue got in my eyeshadow, but I'm not about to get into that. I'm gonna be using this lip gloss Deep Tube. I like it because it has a pigment in it. My phone is saying something. I think it's saying maximum storage. So let me quickly put this lipstick on. So now I look like a baby doll. Oh wait, I'm gonna add some highlight. I'm gonna do this on camera. Okay, so I'm gonna go with the Fenty Beauty highlighter. Period. It's kind of dangerous to use a highlighter, but I'm dangerous. This is the final look. If you guys want to take a good look. Like I said, the pink side is way done better than the other side. But yeah, if you guys want to take a look. But I'm glad that you guys are hanging out with me today. You know, to see how I did the cloud makeup and the failed attempts. If you guys want these eyelashes, you can find it on our site at ladiesfirstfashion.com.